In this video, we'll be creating the strip trial zones and variable rate prescription maps that both Ed and Tim have recommended to try in this field to test the variability and the uptake of both the nitrogen and phosphorus in the field. We will start off by creating the nitrogen management zone. To do this, simply click on the plus symbol on the center of the page. Then click on Management Zone. Once you've clicked on Management Zone, a window will appear asking how you would like to create your zone. As we are wanting to manually create strip trials within the field, simply click on Draw Zones. Next, we must select the group that this management zone will be associated with. As we have already pre-populated the management zone for this example, we have the ability to select urea. If you have not yet created a group, simply create a group by typing into the New Group window. We then must name the zone which we wish to create and select the field to which the zone will be associated with. Once we have the correct field, we can then select the layer that the management zone will be created from. For this example, we are going to be using the protein layer to have as a guide as to where to create the zones. Once you've selected the group, name the zone, assign the field and layer, click Next. This will then take you to the zone drawing window, where you can edit and create zones by clicking on the pencil symbol next to each zone. For this field, Ed and Tim have recommended that we create 3 zones: a high strip, medium strip, and a flat rate strip. Once you've successfully drawn all the zones, you can change the color code to suit your application if desired. For this example, I'm going to set up my high application rate as a dark green color, my medium strip as an orange zone, and my flat rate as red. Once all that is done, click Finish. This will then process the management zone and assign it to the field. If you are happy with the map and wish to create the variable rate application map, you can again click on the plus symbol at the top of the page and then click on RX prescription. Once you've clicked on the RX prescription label, we must then go ahead and select a group that this RX map will be assigned to. For this example, as we are wanting to apply a nitrogen solution, we will select urea as a group. If you do not have a group that you can select from or that is applicable, simply create a new group in the window below. You must then confirm that the season is current and the type of prescription is set to fertilizer. You can create an activity if you wish, but for this example, we will leave it as no. Once you've selected your group, season type and activity, click Next. This will then take you to the zone assignment page. Confirm that the grower, farm and field are correct and select the zone which was created previously as the zone group that you wish to assign the prescription map to. Once you have chosen the correct items, click Next. This will then take you to the prescription creator. First step is you want to create the input product that is going to be applied to this paddock. For this example, it is going to be urea as the applied product over the field. This has already been entered into the system, but if you want to add a product, simply click on the pencil to the right of the input field and progress through the steps. Next, you must select the units of application, which for this video is kilograms per hectare. We must then assign some rates to the outer zone values. For the outer zone and loss of GPS value, we'll set the flat rate of 80 kilos per hectare, whereas the outer field value will set to 0 kilograms per hectare, as we do not want any product being applied outside of the field boundaries. We'll then proceed to applying rates to the 3 different zones on the map. The 2 green zones are areas where we wish to apply the greatest rate, which will be 130 kilograms per hectare. Then the orange will be 100 kilograms per hectare, and then finally the red, which will be our blanket rate at 80 kilos per hectare. Once we are happy with those configurations and changes, click Finish. This will then begin to process the variable rate map and apply it to the field. Once the map has been processed, we can then view it in the field view. Once we are happy with that zone and the variable rate map, we can then proceed to the next management zone and RX map creation, which will be the phosphorus application. Simply follow the same steps that were previously carried out for the N management zone and RX map creation to proceed with obtaining a phosphorus management zone and RX prescription map. If at any time you want to adjust a management zone or prescription map, simply click on the setup icon at the top of the page, then click on Zones and select either management zones or prescriptions and find the map you wish to adjust. Once you have found that map, simply double click and adjust and alter as you need.